Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fade Alonto and this is my report. My topic is all about the athlete will do following. The continuation of the report of Mr. Julaidin A. Sali. The athlete will do following. Number 1 is softly toss the ball 1 meter to 3 feet in the air so that it passes in front the dominant of shoulder. So, it means softly toss the ball. Ibato mo daw yung bola ng dahan-dahan or marahan. So, ibato mo ng marahan ang bola ng mga 1 meter or 3 feet pataas sa ere para dumaan sa harap ng dominant na balikat mo. Then number 2, shift the weight from the back foot to the front foot by leaning forward and rotate the dominant arm high and into the path of the ball. So it means is i-shift mo yung timbang mo mula sa likod ng paa papunta sa harap ng paa sa pamamagitan ng pagyuko, tapos iikot mo yung dominant na braso mo pataas sa landas ng bola. And number 3, sharply strike the ball with an open hand aiming at a point slightly above the height of the net. So, after mo matimbang yung katawan mo, is dito natatamaan yung bola ng malakas or gamit yung nakabukas na palad, tapos i-target mo siya ng kaunti sa itaas ng net. And number 4, follow through on the arm swing, rotating the upper body for more power. So, para makuha yung malakas na pag-strike is dapat meron tayong sinusunod or dapat sundin mo yung arm swing mo para makuha mo yung lakas na pag-strike. Next is a roundhouse service style also works for many athletes. The athlete is positioned in the same fashion as the traditional underhand service style described in the previous section. So, ang roundhouse is ito yung karamihan sa mga athlete. Ito yung ginagamit nila na mga style. At marami din sa mga athlete is ito yung mga ginagamit nila na nakaposisyon ka pa rin tulad ng traditional underhand service na na-discuss natin. So, sabi dito is imbis daw na hawakan ang bola is waist high at using mo yung braso mo sa high na yun across the body, and hawakan mo yung bola sa shoulder high, tapos ibato mo pataas sa ulo. Then, swing mo yung braso pataas para tamaan ang bola sa taas ng ulo sa isang roundhouse motion. And this is our example of the roundhouse serve.
In a different way, the way the Asians do it, called the roundhouse. The roundhouse serve is a serve many young kids can do when they do it underhanded, which is really simple. We want to do the contact above the shoulder, ready, place, swing. Done left-handed, it would look ready, place, and swing. Let's take a look at the kids and check for understanding and see how they do here. If you'd show us, please. Ready, place, and swing. All right, let's get a ball and see if we can do it. Ready, place, and swing. The roundhouse serve.